I'm Todd Miller, the Director of IT for Millar Incorporated. We are the gold standard provider for neurological and cardiac catheters in the medical industry. Our product is actually out there helping doctors save lives, develop new treatments. And as a company, I think we take that very seriously. Because we are an FDA-regulated business, we have very strict guidelines that we have to follow in terms of record retention, accessibility to records, and everything of that nature. We looked at how we were protecting our data, our intellectual property, as well as our email communications, which are critical. It's not enough in today's day and age to just back up files and intellectual property that we store on our file servers. We have to extend that to our cloud presence, and as a result, we did a search for various backup solutions and ultimately selected spanning. With Office 365, it's very, very easy to be able to access your email, your documents through OneDrive, your calendar appointments on any device is critical. As an FDA-regulated business, we have certain compliance requirements that we have to achieve. The biggest one is going to be data retention, being able to keep data for a period of time. So anything related to our products, depending on the life of that product, could be kept anywhere from a minimum of 7 years up to 20 years, depending on the product life cycle. We looked at a backup solution that was going to be able to indefinitely keep our data, and that was one factor that really drew us to spanning. Definitely gives me a peace of mind when it comes to protecting our data, and because I know spanning just works and our data in the cloud is always protected regardless of what happens at Microsoft, it's really a comfort, and it's one less thing that we need to worry about on a daily basis. On occasion, we have had to restore emails that have been misdeleted or otherwise lost or can't be found. And so what spanning has provided for us is a really nice console where we can go into an individual mailbox and actually search for that piece of mail throughout the entire account. And once we found it, we literally just check it, hit restore, and then you can either restore it to the individual user or do a mailbox restore. And that's been helpful, especially when we've had instances where folks have left the company and they don't necessarily have access to somebody's mailbox, and we need to restore that information. So that's been very useful for us the few times we've used it. And really, it was that combination of the simplicity of use and the automation that it offers that really drove us to choose spanning over other providers. From an IT director standpoint, it's really been kind of a no-brainer. It frees up resources and actually work on other projects and push other technologies.